The next exercise we're going to perform is called the short arc quad. This requires you to have a small ball. A soccer ball, a dodgeball, a basketball will do. Okay? It goes under the knee, and you should be positioned comfortably. With all of the exercises that I'll instruct you on, your opposite leg should be bent. This will help support your back. This exercise, you're going to lift your foot up to as straight as your knee can get, hold it at the top for the count of 3, and then lower. Okay? So we're going to lift, hold at the top, 1, 2, 3, lower slowly, 1. Lift up, hold at the top, 1, 2, 3, hold, lower, 2. Again, lift, hold, 1, 2, 3, lower, 3. Lift, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, lower. Take a deep breath. Okay, again, lift, hold at the top, 1, 2, 3, lower, 5. Again, up, hold at the top, 1, 2, 3, lower, 6. Again, lift, hold at the top, 1, 2, 3, lower, 7. Again, lift, get the knee as straight as you can, 1, 2, 3, lower, 8. Again, if they're holding their breath, count out loud. Lift,
9.
1, 2, 3, 9. Again, lift, hold, 1, 2, 3, lower, 10, and relax.
X10, back to full strength.